Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite. To connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite, you have to log in a specific Meta Business Suite account. So once you have logged in, this is the interface, and as you can see on the left hand side is the settings option. Once you click on it, you'll see these kinds of options. Below the account option, you can see Instagram account section. Just click on it, and it says no Instagram account added. It's obvious that it's no Instagram account is added till now. To add your account, just click on add, and make sure to read all these terms and conditions before adding an Instagram account. And once you click on this claim Instagram account option, it will take you to the Instagram account request menu. So go ahead and add your account through this option. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for these kind of videos in future.